A very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Children, this is my first video. So with hope you all will watch this video and try to understand this story. So children, today I am going to start you the new chapter 6. Yes, today I am going to start new chapter 6, and the name of the chapter, truthfulness. So everyone, please, you all will take out your books and turn the page number 28, and after me you all will read this chapter very nicely with underline the hard word. So but before students, something I would like to tell you about the truthfulness. Yes, about the truthfulness. When with truthfulness we can progress and have success in life. Yes children, when you will speak truth, yeah, you will get success in your life. When this holy attribute established in man, all the other quality will also become realized. Yes, whenever this good thing you will you just always follow, so everything will be come realized. Every qualities, each and every quality will also become realized. So children, we should always be honest. Yes, because honest means truthful. Honest means to be truthful. Yes, and also it is a great moral virtue. Yes children, it is also a great moral virtue, and also it brings lot of good qualities. Yes, in mind, and it makes person great. Yes children, whenever you speak truth, you will the person you will make a great person. Okay children, so we should, or you should always speak truth, and also it helps the maintaining the peace of mind, and also it will be make bold. So you should never speak lie. You should always speak truth, and if you will speak children truth, yeah, it will make you bold, and this is also very valuable thing. That's why it is said that honesty is the best policy. Yes, honesty is the best policy, one of the best policy. So we should always speak truthful. Now children, we will, in this story we will read about the one man, and that man was very honest. Okay, and about in this story, with the help of this story, we will know how the person spoken truth and got success. Okay children, so now after that, like the truthfulness, the name of the story is here, the truthful King Solomon. Yes, King Solomon was a truthful man. Who was truthful man children? Yes, King Solomon, a king and who was truthful, very honest person he was. Okay, one day Solomon happened. What happened with Solomon? Solomon happened to be carrying a large basket. Yes, he carrying a large basket when a man running to him. Okay, basket. What happened one day? What happened? He carrying a large basket when a man running to him, and man, what else you can see in this picture, when a man running to him, and man is saying, please protect me. What is saying? Man saying, please protect me, an enemy. Babu will also underline the hard word, enemy. Enemy is after my life. Now Solomon said, quick get this basket, please, quick get into this basket. Soon he get into the basket, and again the Solomon the basket on his head. Soon the man's enemy came to Solomon. Yes, soon the man, what happened? So soon an enemy came to in front of Solomon, and so an enemy was saying to Solomon, have you seen a man pass by here? Have you seen? So Solomon saying, yes, he is in this basket. Yes, he is in this basket on my head. So an enemy is saying, come on man, this time is not for joking. He thought he is telling what he is telling, he is making joke. Okay, so I should not listen to him. Now after, Solomon is saying, the truth is what I have told you. Yes, it is correct. Whatever I am just saying, it is correct. Okay, so after that, what happened? The enemy did not believe on him, and resumed his case and started again to his case. the enemy gone, you can come out now. What Solomon is saying to a person who is in basket, the enemy gone is gone, you can come out now. So after that what happened? So now man came out and saying, oh Solomon almost died of fear. Why did you tell him that I was in the basket on your head? So Solomon said, deliverance is in the truthfulness. I was speaking truthfulness. I am, because I am honest. I never speak lie. Had I told him differently, he would not have believed, and I have told, and he did not believe on me. So it would have maybe probably killed both of us. But also I will not speak. I will never speak lie. I will always speak truth, because truthfulness is a great virtue, and that's why it is said that when truthfulness, honesty is the best policy. So I will always speak truth. So at last what you will do? So at last what we have learned from this story, children? Yes, we have learned we should always speak lie. We should never speak, we should always speak truth. We should never speak lie. When you will speak truth, babu, students, it will make you bold. It make us bold also, and it is very what it gives us mind peace. It gives us our mind peace. Okay, so whenever you will speak, babu, it will maintaining the peace of mind, and it also make you bold, because it is very valuable. That's why it is said that honesty is the best policy. So now children, what will you do? Children, page number 28 and 29, and also 30, some hard words are there. You all will, after me, you just read and in your book underline. Okay children, and also you will write down in copy. So first word is here truthfulness, truths, truth, fulness, truthfulness. Second, progress, progress, progress. Success, success, success. Qualities, qualities, qualities. Children, in your book you all will underline and try to learn. Solomon, solomon, Solomon. Carrying, carrying, carrying. Basket, basket, basket. Protect, protect, protect. Enemy, enemy, enemy. Okay, joking, 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 believe, believe. Resumed, resumed, resume. Case, chase, case. Virtue, 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 and deliverance. So children, you all will underline this word and try to learn. Okay, and never forget, don't forget it. You should always speak truth. You should never speak lie, because honesty is the best policy, and it is also a great moral virtue. Like Solomon was a truthful man. Yes, Solomon was a truthful man. He always speak truth. Okay children, so with hope you all have understood this story very nicely. At home you will underline this word, some hard words, and you will write down in copy. So for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.